Hey everyone, this unboxing is going to be epic. Oh yes, it's the Kate Spade camper van bag. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'm Jen, and we are going to take a close and personal look today at my newest Kate Spade novelty bag. Do I need any more bags? No, but I saw this and I am a huge sucker for the novelty bags. The Kate Spade outlet site was having a sale, plus I had Rakuten cash back, so I couldn't not do it. I will link this bag below in the description box. Hopefully it's still available by the time you see this video. It is an affiliate link, but I purchased this myself, and I just thought this was the cutest bag. I've purchased novelty bags in the past. Like, I used to have a couple of the candy wrapper bags, but they just weren't very practical, so I ended up selling them. Plus, they couldn't really stand up on their own, like they were a round shape. But this, I just want to have this as like a collector's piece. It is so freaking cute. Look at the details here. I think it's called like the camper van day tripper bag, something like that. It's got a door on it. The door is not functional and the wheels also are not functional, but the details on this bag are just so cute. It's got a little window on it. It's got an awning. This has vintage vibes all the way. It even has like the little metal, and this is actually real metal. I thought this might be plastic. This also appears to be metal, so the hubcap on the wheels. It's got a little sunroof, and you can wear this crossbody if you want. So there are quite a few different ways you can wear this bag. So you could carry it as a clutch, you could wear it as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody. And this little flap opens up. Look how cute this is. All right, and then the strap is inside. It has a magnetic closure, which is super cool here. All right, and let's try to get some of this stuff out. The photos on the website had this flap pictured like folded all the way back, but it really doesn't. And this little window has some clear plastic in it, so this isn't an opening. So, oh, how cute though. But yeah, I'm gonna use this as a display piece for sure. I've kind of noticed this with Kate Spade outlet items in particular. I've ordered some stuff with like light colored leather, and sometimes there is the occasional like smudge or mark. So that's kind of to be expected. I did get a really good deal on it, so I'm not too mad about it. Just something to keep in mind that the items sometimes have small imperfections, especially with the level of detail. So here is the front of it. So look at all of the details. So there are painted leather details all over the place. There is a license plate, KS New York 93. I think that's when the company was founded. Rhinestones for the headlights. There's an awning. There are windows. There's a little doggy. And by the way, these details are actually, they feel like metal and not plastic. So I think that's a great detail. It's got a spade on the door. Just has real like Airstream vibes. Patches here or something like that. There's flowers in the window, and then on the back there is a window with some curtains. There's another spade. This just looks so 50s retro to me. It's super cute. You got the back with the little, I don't know what you call it. It's like a little, it's sort of like a little tripod here, because you got the two wheels and then you have this little metal piece. But I've seen this on a lot of the camper trailers. I'm not really going to fold it in an unnatural way, but you could actually put quite a few things in here. And I love them. I think the magnetic snap is really functional. It has the Kate Spade signature fabric lining, a little label in there, but you could actually fit like a phone. You could fit a number of things. And it comes with a strap that you can use this as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody. It's, I would say, sort of a beige color, but with sort of, I would say, pinky undertones. And the hardware is silver. So it is really nice quality, I think, especially for the price. And you attach the straps to these D-rings here. It is actually practical if you want to wear this as a bag. You could totally use it as a clutch as well. I just think this is the most adorable novelty bag ever. And I've been pretty good about not being too tempted by the Kate Spade novelty bags. But when I saw this, I just couldn't not do it. So here we are with, and my nails actually kind of match the camper, which was totally unintentional, but very coincidental. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holes for adjusting the straps. That is really nice here. So you could carry it like this. You could also, of course, crossbody it, but what an adorable bag. I was so excited about this. I'm actually going to more use it as I think a display piece more than something I actually carry. I just was like, this is so cool. I have my phone. This is the iPhone 13 Pro, and I have the bag I've been using, the Coach Mini Rowan. And look at this, is a very small bag, so I think everything I fit into the Mini Rowan, I could probably fit into the camper bag here. So let me pull out some things. All right, so I've got my keys in the little IKEA bag here, mini bag. I got my card holder. This is Coach. Let's grab some more stuff here. And yeah, I think you can probably fit quite a good amount of stuff into the bag here. One thing I wasn't expecting was just that you can't really open this up very much here without creasing the leather. So you kind of have to be careful with this. So it doesn't really fold too much. All right, so I can fit let's put my lotion in here. Pen, feminine products. I've got a lip gloss, a mini lip sleeping mask, my keys. Like, look at this. You can fit a phone in here very easily, my card holder. So, and like you could even fit more stuff. The one thing is, yeah, I kind of would like to put this more in like this. Here we go. So yeah, and I could even fit some sunglasses in here if I wanted to. So this actually can fit a pretty good amount of stuff here. Here, I'll put the strap in here. So I mean, this kind of is a pretty functional bag. It's not just for looks, and it's definitely a conversation starter, that is for sure. You could even fit a larger phone because there's probably a good another inch of length here. So here's the 13 Pro. And yeah, like you could definitely get a bigger phone in there for sure. I also like that the lining is a light color, so you can pretty easily see your stuff in there. And it is really cool that it has kind of a little sunroof on it, so you can see your stuff inside. So like if I'm putting my lotion in here, like you can see things. So the little window is actually pretty cool. You do have to sort of be careful with this bag because, yeah, be gentle with it because there are some details that like stick out, like the awning. These gemstones also appear to be sewn on, so they shouldn't pop off. And this license plate is sewn on. So really nice details. I will say the stitching on top isn't totally even, but I'm not really bothered by that since this wasn't a ridiculously expensive bag. But you can kind of see the top stitching here is not quite even. But again, for an item like this, I sew, and doing top stitching is really difficult to do well and to be completely uniform. So again, I wouldn't say that's like a deal breaker. And again, I got this on sale and I didn't pay like a crazy amount for it. So yeah, you can see the stitching here is like a tiny bit off. So there are a few like minor imperfections, but nothing that I think would really warrant a return. So what do you think about this bag? Is this one you've been checking out? Is the Kate Spade camper bag on your radar? Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I almost forgot about this, but I actually ordered 2 items. So this is jewelry. Let's unwrap this together. And it was majorly on sale, and I got 25% off of my order. And I just thought this was super cute. It is a really nice gold tone necklace with these little gemstones here. And I just thought this was really pretty. I can wear this in YouTube videos, and it's definitely a really good piece of costume jewelry. So I got this for a pretty good deal as well. So that is what I also ordered. And I totally forgot about this. I saw it in the box and I was like, did they accidentally give me something else? It's got some dragonflies, and I believe these are like flowers or something, but super cute. They also had a matching ring that was super cool, but it was sold out. Otherwise, I would have gotten that as well. So this is the other piece I got from Kate Spade. I will say I've had several pieces of Kate Spade costume jewelry over the years, and they wear very well. Like there's not a lot of there's really no tarnish or anything like that. So the quality is nice for the price, and I've just noticed it's pretty low maintenance jewelry. So if you are looking just for some fun, carefree pieces, Kate Spade Outlet is where it's at. Anyways, I'm Jen. Check out some of my other videos here on the Sunshine Fashion Love channel, and I will see you again in the next video.